Okay, Isaac.
Isaac, mommy wants you.
Isaac. Isaac, what's the baby gonna be? Okay, go show us.
Which one is
He's smiling.
You think it's a girl, Isaac?
it? This one you want? Reach in there, get it. Is that what you want? Is that what you think it is?
Show him the blue one too.
You want this one?
You can do that. Oh!
So which one is it? Hold the one up in the air.
What? Oh, just put it back in the
What do you
Pick one
got?
up.
What do you got, Bubba's? Okay. We ready to find out? Let's see what it is, Isaac. You gotta turn that one off. Ready? Let's see what we can see.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Can you guys read?
Desiree?
Oh my gosh.
Boy, stand up. Can you see it?
It's not showing up on here.
It's a girl.
Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, Jeff, let's open up this one.
You have an other sister.
Let's see. Let's be sure here. See what it is.
Yay.
It's a girl.
It's like, yeah.
Yay! Isaac is gonna have a sister.